Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited the flooded areas of Purakhasia and surrounding regions on the 10th of October 2024 to assess the damage caused by recent floods. During his visit, Conrad Sangma held a review meeting with district and block officials at the Purakhasia Block Office in Puran Bazaar. He also engaged with local villagers, assuring them of full support from both the district administration and the state government. The Chief Minister acknowledged that in addition to homes, significant damage had been done to ponds, plantations and orchards. He stated that the Agriculture and Horticulture departments, along with other relevant agencies, would work towards providing aid to those affected. Sangma inspected several key sites during his visit, including the catchment area near the riverbank in Purakhasia and the bridge over Grim River, which connects Wajigitok to Akimpara. He also held public meetings in Akinpara and Pozengagre villages, where he listened to residents' concerns and pledged government assistance. The Chief Minister further inspected the Thalang Bridge and Angalangre and the collapsed bridge over Norang River at Rimrangpara.
Lekas saya mengamar mak baik bagi. Bincang kalau depo untuk dia bincang cakap nanti. Nih. Nih. Coba tinggal gambar dong, tinggal sini. Nanti tinggal cuma. Mau ayah pak? Mau cepat.
Oi.
Oh.
Jadi dicoba deh.
Benar masalah kayak sangit sih. Deh.
ये वर्तमान में सिंधी शुआर जो कोना रानी शुआर दे
Ada ba? Oh ya, macam cakap. Ya ada manik
सिंधी शुआर
Ayo, thank you.
सेक्शन ऐड करने वाला के पीछे तो हमारे मूवमेंट ऑर्डर में 3 सेक्शन लिखा है ना वो एफआईआर
How do I spell it?
this side is satu para